di hum komo asofo Hot FM 93.9 megahertz ye mo akwaba
Mejemo so michia metie fo so na me asundie nka mu na
me asundie nka so asofo kwabara de ne na e kasa yi
pacho me mini ya so ko na usu eji me na ta
o ye ndisi
me nya ndisi
o join the party ben
me join the party bia
o ye sympathizer my party ben
me sympathize my party bia I take instructions from Elohim the nyame be kasa me nya no na me ye. And my instructions now is to lead the NDC to victory. And that is what I'm doing.
And that is what Elohim has instructed you, sir. Lead NDC to victory. Also for Kabanadi.
Exactly. And that is what I am doing. And this is for year the end, I will say it.
All right. But what threatens Selbekum, Electoral Commission chairperson, as Daily Guide has an apply one more editor from page.
Daily Guide will be any say Freddie Blade. Jimmy.
Oh,
can I on a second year was Jimmy? Now, friends, the CPP now call a friends, MPP near the chairman. Jimmy for the war. Oh, I'm a for Brea or party man who CPP or by I am chairman because or Yakufu are down for. Oh, said Jimmy Ghana. No, instead of using the media space to do proper education, so near farm building democracy, they use it to do policies. Men can't be a semi cook, Jimensa, easy boss. Men can't be what I said is this. Jim Mensa, a radia being number who said, oh, fat a quite be so, open all the Ghana fat quite so. Sa quite now take Ghana Fasumo, Eddie Bassa Beba, a Jabeto Ghana. And I'm a catcher, a medium who says a Jato Ghana. Ghana for you, I be able to say, what, and I'm also because I'm paying for Ghana in there too. For also, dear Gabioti, that Coney Akufu, that catcher say, and one out there. And as you will be the first to die, I saw it. Have I threatened her?
So, also for what evidence, where we're here, should I say, Jim Mensa, Gabia Social, about Tokufado, and as of now, as you mentioned yesterday, that you keep reiterating. So, I'm moving up Kushiaka and said, this is what she should do, and I want.
Look, it's not news. Secondly, the point in the station, so HSS Charlotte say, or Yashawuni, or the Tona power, now Yaba Umbe Charlotte say, oh, it was all part of the agenda. Jomo buy and on pen go for church or let time yesterday then no miss out of the and no darling girl abaho. Until when I call her a silly girl, me baby I'm if you know, if you're a girl and you're silly, you are called a silly girl. So what I say. Until if she's a silly girl, that's why she's doing silly things. And I tell you, say Jim Mensa, you are doing silly, you are being a silly girl. Stop those silly things. Let do what is right. Say the bear Ghana, you better into my pay for also my did not. But
she can sue you for calling.
So let her go to court and sue me for calling her silly.
Silly as in say Electoral Commission now would be any more so be new voter register. That makes her silly.
That doesn't make her silly. But you see, it is an agenda. Let me tell you something. You see, they keep referring to say NDC for access to data. No, until this time, what they want to do is control the register and make sure their people are more on the register than those of the NDC. The agenda is that they want to make sure NDC loses about 2 elections so that NDC can be turned into a CPP kind of thing. So they become powerless. If you want the richest man in Ghana, go to Furiata. You know,
this is the finance minister. So
no, I'm not talking finance. Okay. Me say the richest person in Ghana, the Ghana Sika, so your friend Furiata.
Analysis when there's something
Chroma Bank, Chroma Insurance, Sika business, everything that has got to do with Ghana money, it goes to Furiata and the group, their company. Data Bank and Co. They are controlling Ghana's finances today, whether you like it or not.
Wow.
It is the truth.
I'm not aware.
Well, I'm telling you, go and find out. Go and take. You see that what I'm saying is the truth. So, you know, when I tell Jimesa what you're doing is silly, stop it. Because I know. So, maybe your man can say, "Ome tu Charlotte say no me tuna." No man can say NDC for they'll make sure they'll lose 2 elections in a row and become like CPP. We've had majority leader or since I election raise area, NDC will never come to power again. It is an agenda. So what I say, now agenda is say now or Babisia, who say Udi and now di Jack to Ghana. Because when people are disenfranchised, do you know what is going to bring in this nation? Nobody's going to sit down for you to disenfranchise him or her. It's a jack, and a Baba Ghana. So what I say, you can't allow this. We're a small nucleus family. So my dream Bonnie Kuta Muntino, I dream Papa be any Muntino. Debbie sorry, and I can in Japan. Or no, I am more, and then he does your spinning, he does your dirty work. Hey, a contract, let me tell you. Mimi fie mi fia so correct. So what you say? E Jimmy for to say we be mi fie.
Oh no.
No. I take responsibility.
Sir.
I said I take responsibility for it. Me say I take responsibility for it.
Sir.
I said I take responsibility for it.
He is a member of parliament.
So what? He's an idiot of a member of parliament.
No.
He is an idiot of a member of parliament.
Japan.
Oh, dear Japan. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about Asen, Asen Central MP, who calls himself Honorable King in Japan. Who the hell does he think he is? No, Fuso to me. You're bet my snap net two. Or that CID boss. Or that IGP. Go and arrest this. Go and arrest this. Go and arrest that. Or no, has he been arrested for the role he played in JB Danker's death? Has Kenya Japan been arrested? Me say, I'm appealing to the American embassy. I'm for lie detector test in this year. Japan, I'm throwing the challenge to you. Also, I need a lie detector test. Now you need cameras die so. You chef who is talking the truth. Let me tell you something. This Kenya Japan, when Asantefono planning here, so mo Kobi ejinem amananato. Na omakoyo mo nyan komate no. Now, behu ochehene. And ochehene dey 1 year boy ema omo. Oh, this is May 2015. Yes. And Ochehim Omo Yebua, which is Nana to Mami, Ninia. Okoyen, he was not accepted. And also JB Dankwebi or Tafo or filling station open another simple. But on the call, the blood line need JB Dankwa, it doesn't agree. But they wanted the JB Dankwa. Into this honorable JB Dankwa, on no fee. JB Dankwa, the doyen, or finish Chocho Mucho, or the grand niece or something like that. Into to pay the Apega people, because like I said, and I've always said, the chief of Apega, Ofrete Wu Yan no Kuno, and the Kukura Kunyan, so I say, Omo, this year, and Apega force a bomb to ya. Some Sumuya, either. Into they had to go and pay the Apega people, eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. But JB Dankwa was responsible to only JB Dankwa. And so they had this JB Dankwa and they killed him. And you know something? When he died, according to this boy who is in jail, why tape near them? Or say Kenya Japan is a sexy don't. Or say Kenya Japan was the first person he called Captain said Jumano Biden. Let me tell you something. He called Kenya Japan. Say Jumano Biden. Now, when the accident happened, Watchman security said they didn't know. On Yani Yana Hotel from the police were by 2 policemen came from East Legon. Then a relative also brought 2 policemen from somewhere when she was called to come in. There were 4 policemen there. Then DCOP Dampare also came in.
The CID boss.
Well, yeah, I think Greater Accra was it CID boss?
Yeah,
okay, Dampare, yeah. No, Greater Accra something. Yeah, anyway. Now, listen to me very carefully. When this thing, where was I? Dampare came in. Said no, when the boy came in Japan. JB Dankwa no pana yewu which was about 2:33 a.m. And James now honorable Adie Amanye, because he is the last person. Everyone, you are not a family member. Or say Nana Adu Dankwa Kufuado, and they say Omra Meshe Assembly Siwa has said no more Amanye. Those were his words. And at DCOP Dampare, I walked on out. I had a crime scene. I had a parliament, and he was walked out. He came and sat on his air, net 2, and told the whole world, say, police need be, and a friend and a party say, same way they see. It will do me kabaye. Hey, Kenya Japan, let me tell you, you are a good spring doctor, but you've picked the wrong address. My name is not Obini. My name is Kwabena Owusu Ejeyi. Me kame nana adaka. Me nana sofumame kino dina efua debua ya na adaka wo muzama. Sesi amika say me kana mena Kenya Japan. Hey, and now what you want? What's it? CID for by the midjan here.
Yes.
Where did I run away?
Before.
Where did I run away?
Where did I run away? Before we go there, sir. Because someone can say CID for by one way trying to CID for the BNI for national security no home company I didn't run away trying. Let's say I was want to go to you home company. But I am in a coded location with you as we speak. Hot 93.9 FM marching and each media. The beginning of Madako Isaac. I'm here this morning with Awal Said Mohammed Nagagan Twan lady or Hidewakas Buahin. And I'm many on me and Sana Kwabena Usu, Kofi Mare, and the Cephas, and DJ Kobinuso, Air Studio way back in Accra. Jamestown. Afro Towers. Now, so you will call that location of way. You know, so for Cabernet aiding come on. Say, Kennedy Japan should shut up.
He should shut his big, ugly, fat mouth. It stinks. Let me tell you something.
Because of the role he played in Jamie Duncan's death.
Not only the role, he is the Spain doctor in MPP. Assembly Asia, no Makofano, no Abetrao, no. Obini Mishu is just to divert attention. Okay?
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
You're coming from National Security. We have warrant to arrest you.
Okay.
On the arrest.
Okay.
Oh,
Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
anyway, hot not the thread of 9 from March. Please let us know. There are some people here.
Hey, how come? Hey,
From the
how?
security to arrest on a year, Papa, a year, Kabana. Please.
Hey, no.
Please take your time, please. We are helping you.
No.
Please take your time. Oh, please.
How come?
This is happening live. Please take your time.
Hey, how come? Hey.
No, let us also know because we are here with
How come, sir? Hey, no, this one there. No. Hey, how come?
And we are live here, and we are happy. Let us please
No.
We have to know if they are really from the national security.
We have to know. No. We have to know. We have to know. No. We have to know. Pick the numbers. 5666.
Yes.
5
Another one.
Another car.
Residents of also for you get the numbers. Please, yes, you got the numbers. So the national security has just picked the residents.
Massa. No.
So please pick the other phone. Let us
Yes.
make a follow-up.
Yes.
We also have to follow up.
We have to go.
Okay, Yes, we started the program with you. Yeah. And all of a sudden, national security has just banked in to pick a year. Yeah. Your friend is saying, also for community.
Correct. That's true. I'm also a lawyer.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm going to go for the two course. I will follow up the national.
Okay.
So let me please take the step out for me.
Yes. So this is what has just happened. A year also for Cabinet Day, we were in a quantum location with him. This is what has just happened right now. A year also for Cabinet Day. If you that national security man pointed a gun at me, trying to stop me because I have to verify as a journalist without provocation. Exactly, we have to verify and know if truly they are from the national security.
Yes.
In order not to be held responsible, and this is what has just happened.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to tell us.
In fact,
I'm Beno.
Bako atwintuo sɛ yɛnkɔ yɛkyi ɔmo yɛ ɔmo adwuma na baabi ɔmo de wei na ɛbaeɛ nti yɛwɔ ha sisi
I'm the 3 cars. 3 VIP cars.
yɛnnim baabi a ɔmo de ne kɔ a ɔmo de ɔmo ani akyerɛ ɛnkan mene ka sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ yɛnnim baabi a ɔmo de kani no ayɛ dɛn akɔ ɛyɛ adeɛ a amanfoɔ
Oh, I am for residents.
yɛnnim baabi a ɔmo de ne
Okay. 0544. Okay.
baby I want na ɛyɛ ade a ɛyɛ baby a ka sɛ obi ba hɔ a ɛkwan no eh kwan a ense na yes straight na so eni kwan a mo fa so mepie mu a me no ka say amanko askajere ba ha ye be say ni nipa no me ko so me obi adi nkombo a no mo kan say eya adi o me de o me kasa eya adi o me kasa e bi so ayo a ye hwe de bi a o mo de ne ko ye nya hu be bi a o mo de ne ko de no ka say pe ko etuka na o ma ye hu be bi a e bi so mo say o metimi a o mo be bi a o mo de pe ni ko na so ma ita say eya adi o me kasa o ma e be ko ita say me a friend lawyer na ta o bi a o mo say o mo ma en friend lawyer me no ka say o mo de pe ni ko na so mo the national security o mo do again ID card say o mo financial security and e ba ye me no ka say mu for ha Sandra me no ka say pini no e ade a o mo de ko ye ba me bi a ye interview say local high education yeah say be bi a ye interview
Okay, so
me no ka say
we are live on Facebook, and where we are currently is a coded location. As we said earlier, we are not going to disclose the location to anyone because for national security reasons. Yes,
No.
You move from there. You and Mama Gaga move from the Bia Moses here.
Okay. I saw them all.
No.
Barbara, me no ka say the idea you feel what ye dey any ache direction aka ne fire no o hwan na dey any ache sisi a ye hwe because ebusafo na e worried no mo chese omo ni mebi a omo di hye na dey ekọ omo ni mebi a omo di hye na dey ekọ nti omo so e worried a omo so e dey e person omo nya ka na omo dey fi ha na omo dey dey omo do omo ni ache mebi aka ne ko bia ni mebi omo dey ne ko so omo dey ne ko hia na so omo dey ne ko he ye ade a yetime hu mebi a omo dey penini e dey ekọ nanso ebusafo no so ai bobo omo se me no ka say omo tuka omo ye se senka bia na ifo no betimi the national security for betimi we na betimi mama
come meet you. Yeah, national security for everyone.
No one actually asked me anything. They only got the we thoughts now about also for Kabra say Obi Ababa no maba ka ho show no ho. So we thought So we thought that person was going to be joining, but it was unfortunate. 2 men court warrant from the court. I said some also for Kabana AJ. They just banged in and arrested also for Kabana AJ. As we speak, the residence of also for Kabana AJ. We will not say his residence, but we will say we are in a coded location. Come on, let's go. We are in a coded location. That is where we are currently, and as we speak, we have to speak to some of the residents, but some of the sir, woman, and so Abacasa and hot 93.9 of them, and yes, so I want to be not organize Obiasi, and yeah, dear, I'll bet you know, and Wakasa, so I'm moving to see and was somebody. I'm not depending on one. Eh, baby, I say, me check, no better, but baby, I say, Obiano, a dear amount for it, and get any idea, eh, Cosu, Nanso, Momo Chester, and yeah, do be ready, so better, Obekasana, Mama Chenia, a sea, and no more, and Braka, and buy, almost see from no more, yeah, do be ready, so Obekasana, see, I took us some idea. Yeah, quite baby, I can't direction. I can't hear it. If I near her, say, "Who for the chick when I say baby sir?" Menoka said, "Yeah, dear, it was upon so it's me a baby. I'm with this channel. I walk a man, baby. I'm here. Menoka say, "Guswa, yeah, Yadimika, yeah, Conti. Penny, idea being a that's a great why I be found quite young baby. I'm with your sister say, "Oh, my be found quite young cousins and drop for quite over. They are interview. Oh, it's me and Chevy, be potty either. Oh, the penny, Menoka. D8 back and son and a back, me black and a back ash, and a back asha, a befa penny, send a candy to Gano, Yade Namana together, cast never penny, a decandi Namana, the together, Menocasi, Yagusua, if you hire, I was a phone. I worried, how much as a baby compa, on commodition and friend and lawyer, and so national security for no, I'm penny, my one friend and lawyer, Menocasi, on my befa penny in the car. In fact, I am send me Bray Gusua, I'm maybe to me, and she baby, if I was in the next way I ever said, a young person on my bed, and I said, and try a few hours here, I didn't actually, maybe I have a young person, you bet be potia, some real and yeah, conceal a few, I am console, I have number, yeah, the kind first, near baby, I can't find, set or you bet I won't come when I say the traffic big car, you bet home until 50 years, you're not console and yeah.
Right, I want to make that.
Better come, Cobra.
Good. Quickly, move free area, Honor.
Cobra,
move follow up to baby and not car, no air corner.
Cobra, me no can say your feet area more.
You better get back to you guys. Now, you didn't come or any information you are going to be my I don't really know. Say now, I'm not the name back Blue Gates. I'm not the name called BNI. Police headquarters. We don't know. So, yeah, move follow up. Move follow up. Now, move through the we are getting calls here. Yes, now, baby, I'm one. Move through, move stopping all the interviews. I'm more yellow, baby. I'm more to now move through on.
Pabra Sena Medical kind, a idea 50 hour. You did near chair direction a car no fire. No, Sebatuomo and assassinate 50 hour. You don't pass a year for direction a car no cast no fire. I'm depending on direction and you have a say Pia, you be home and also you could say, yeah, baby, I'm in the quality. You did child. I call you here, maybe I'm depending on.
All right. So, Governor, we are following up to the National Security and Secretariat Home Office, where are the baby house, the National Security Minister, to make inquiries and find out where actually you also for Governor J. Wamadino Aquafa. So, you face animal, what be your car? We are also law. What are your lawyer? It's to Governor Somoho.
Well, hot 93.9, 59 minutes after 8.